guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a day in my life. As you might know, on my channel all my videos are in French, but I wanted to do it more in English. So I woke up literally 40 minutes ago. I took some water, I did my yoga, and I washed my hair because they needed to be washed. So actually I'm waiting for my mother, who wakes up generally at 9 because we are Sunday. Or I'm gonna read, or I'm gonna go outside to take a little bit of fresh air because the weather is like so cool. So this is currently what I did for lunch. This is a French, I don't know how to say, but this is endive, this is some kale, this is some hummus, carrots, baby tomatoes, some seeds, this is the dressing, which is some shallots, salt, pepper, oil and some vinegar. This is some parsley, and that's pretty much what we're gonna eat. I did some lentils as well, and that's it. So currently I am watching Meet the Vegan, which is a doctor who said that vegan is good. So I'm translating all his videos because one of my friends told me that his videos was cool. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go downstairs, take a tea and go back here and continue to translate all these videos, because this is very interesting and I would love to help more people in their life and all with acne stuff. So I need these arguments to prove that what we do is good, and yeah.